Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to talk to y'all about some things that's been going on. I don't know, I feel like I wanted to come on here and tell y'all what's really going on, like with the kids wise, because I know a lot of y'all love to see the kids and love update, but it be hard because I just don't want people to judge my kids. And people, well, they're gonna always judge you, but I don't know, I'd be ready to fight people over my kids. You know what I mean? Especially when they say ignorant things and they know like my kids got stuff going on, right? So that's why I'd be like so scared to say anything, because I really want to do like a sit down video of what's going on with Malaysia and this and that, but I don't know, I just feel like everything is not for the internet, but I have a lot of people that just don't like me. They just don't like me, y'all, and it's crazy because I'm not a bad person, okay? I'm a good person. I try to be a good person. I might get irritated every now and then, but that's human, being human. But I have people that just don't like me, and they will say hurtful things to me about my kids. I don't know, y'all. I just really want to sit down and just tell y'all what's going on. But I don't think my kids want that on the internet. You know what I mean? I gotta respect their wishes too, about certain things that's going on. Nayori likes to watch the videos, and Malaysia sometimes she does. So I don't want to put nothing offensive on here about them. It's not offensive. It's stuff they go through, real life shit. And it's crazy because a lot of parents do go through this real life shit, especially like with school and, you know, the problems that they have. It's just the point, I don't know, I be love to talk to y'all and just to get it off my chest. Just to get it off my chest, y'all, but it be hard in the same token because I don't want people to use that and judge me and my kids, or throw that shit back in my face and be like, you know, I don't know, I be feeling like it's too much for my kids. You know what I mean? I want this to be a family channel. That's why I'm doing this for, but some things is just better off not left said. I be feeling some type of way. I be ready to fight about my babies, but some things is just left. So I'm just gonna leave it be. Malaysia have a concert tonight, and y'all, I'm so fucking exhausted, and I know she wanna go. I'm just tired. I'm just tired. I'm super tired. I got my iron pills in here. So hopefully once I get my iron pills in my system and stuff like that, I feel a lot better. I won't feel like I can't breathe. Today was a better day. I could breathe and without feeling like I have to pass out or anything. So today is a better day. But yeah, y'all, just pray for my kids in the school, because listen, I don't play with my babies. I don't play about my babies. I don't play about my babies, okay? One thing I don't do, I will go broke for my kids. I will try to do anything to provide them the best situation that I can. But once you start hitting that button about my kid, once you start hitting that button about my kids, I'll be ready to fight. So yeah, y'all, that's all I have to really say about this. My kids they doing good in school. It's just the getting them the services that they need is a fucking hassle. And then I have to go out of my body. And you know, I've been telling y'all lately, like, I'm trying to be a positive me. I'm trying to be a positive person. But when you start messing with my kids and what they need, that falls out the door. Okay? So I'm still on the road of being positive, no arguing. I don't even argue. I just got a lot of people that say stupid stuff on my YouTube channel. And I just be like, I'm not going to address it. I'm just going to keep going and keep doing my YouTube channel because they don't know who I am. You know what I mean? And that's what I want to do. You get a lot more honey. What my mom say? You get a lot more honey with bees. Or is it, you get a lot of bees with honey? You get a lot of bees with honey. I think that's the same. So that's why I'm trying to stay positive, you know, and don't have my platform, this platform, to be nothing but negativity. I don't want that. I want it to be positive. I don't care if I lose 10 subscribers. I want everything to be positive about me and my family and me. Because, you know, I deal with a lot of emotions. And I'm pregnant, I'll be ready to turn up. But now in my mind, I'm just like, you know what? Let's be positive. Let's get this together. Who cares about the negative people? But yeah, I'll call y'all right back. Somebody calling me, I don't even know. So, this is looking like a wild woman, y'all. But I'm up here taking my 3-hour glucose. Yeah, I'm up here taking my 3-hour glucose, and I have an appointment right after this at 9:40. It's 8:45. So basically, I have to get my blood drawn first, take the glucose test, and wait for 3 hours. So what I'm gonna do is go to my appointment, come back here and sit. I was gonna bring my tablet, but I don't know. I'm in my computer so I can edit videos. But I decided just to wait till I get home and do it, because I don't have no energy. And I feel like I'm sick. I got a cold already. Another one. So yeah, y'all. I will see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. So while this gas is filling up, I need to let y'all know something. I failed my 3-hour glucose test. So I cannot say I cannot say that word, but I have diabetes in pregnancy. So I just got my strips and stuff. I already knew I was diabetic. I think I told y'all already. I said I knew I was a diabetic, but they said that they don't believe like I have diabetes. They said I have a greater risk for it to come back. But they said that for me having it, period, they don't believe I have it, period. They just think that it's just in the pregnancy. So I'm happy about that. So I have to change my ways of eating, and I just don't know what to eat. Like, I crave fruit all day. That's all I crave. And you know, fruit got a lot of sugar in it. So yeah, y'all, I don't know how we gonna do this. I'm gonna be one starving girl, because I don't know, I like fruit. But the specialist is gonna call me on Monday to set up an appointment for I think a nutrition specialist or a diabetic specialist or something like that. And they're gonna teach me how to eat proper foods. And then I'm gonna schedule another growth, like I'm gonna have to have growth weights for baby. So yeah, y'all, so that's really what's really going on. just a little update. I want to do like a video of what I eat in a day, but I gotta figure this shit out. You know what I mean? I gotta figure it out. So, and it's crazy because she wants me to take iron pills with vitamin C, but I can't eat a lot of sugar. So I'm trying to figure out how to do that. But yeah, y'all, I will see y'all in a little bit or whenever I'm gonna make another video so we can explain this. All right. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Aldi's. We have to shop. We have to shop for the winter. What are we having? A blizzard. We have a blizzard coming on Friday. Today is Tuesday, but they don't know which day it's gonna come in. We're supposed to be getting 6 to 10 inches of snow or more. So we have to get in here and shop because we are Wisconsians, whatever. We're used to snow, so it's no panic. But what we do is we try to stock up so we don't have to come out for 2 days. So yeah, let's get in here and just do our winter shopping. Or I was gonna plan on shopping anyways, but we just gonna get a little extra stuff so we don't have to get out or go nowhere because the kids is not going to school Thursday. They have school on Thursday, but I told the teachers they not coming because I don't want to fool with the snow, no way. So we might as well just stay in the house for the whole weekend. So, all right, y'all, let's go into this Aldi's, and I'll see you in there. Deuces. All right, y'all. So I got the kids with me. So basically, on my basic list, I had to get. I want a fruit salad for Christmas, y'all. But on our list, we're trying to cook for Christmas is neck bones, mac and cheese, and greens. And I think that's it. That's all we're gonna cook. So RJ didn't have his medicine today, so it's gonna be one. And it's packed in this store, maybe because everybody wants to grocery shop and get everything done before the blizzard and stuff. Oh, and my goal for today is $150. Well, a little bit less. So now let me show you him. This is how he acting. This is Malaysia, she's sleepy. So I'm showing all the people how you act. This is what he do. Okay, busy. Busy and busy. So, where you going? So yeah, he's off. He didn't have his medicine. I just refilled it. So, don't mind him. Not mind this boy.
Hey, that's mean.
I said don't mind you. I didn't say nothing else. That was not me. No, I said don't mind. Y'all just don't even worry about it. Okay. So y'all need snacks for school, and I brought y'all this pack. Yeah, get it, put it in the cart. I brought y'all that pack, and guess what? Y'all ate it all up.
That was not early.
So anywho, so snacks was not on the thing. I don't know why. But I'm not getting those cookies. This is why I make a list, especially for kids. There's some stuff you gotta learn how to ignore, okay? When it comes down to kids with ADHD. Anywho, I don't know if I'm supposed to be eating orange. She told me with my with my thing, with my thing diamond with my iron pill, because my iron is low. I have the E vitamin C. So go ahead, scoot over, Malaysia. So I'm going to get a couple cans of oranges, and it's light in syrup. Let me see how much sugar is in here. I'm not supposed to eat that much sugar. 117. That's not bad. Okay.
Why did you put a piece out of here?
So I didn't put that on the list.
Demons. Did you put the noodles?
I'm not there yet, Robert.
I'll get it. One.
All right. So
Oh, there's no beef noodles. Why does this not have no beef noodles? Look at these.
okay, here's my list. I'm not there. So here's my list. So I have to get yogurt, cereal, lunch meat, cheese, water, flavored water for me, fruit, which I already got, ground beef, chicken. I already got the greens. I have to get mac and cheese, but I might get that tomorrow. I have to get bread, milk, fish, and salad. So I forgot to get bread. Okay. Bread, because we could never stay up on bread for some reason.
I eat the bread. I don't want to eat bread.
And then we're not eating nothing tonight, so y'all gonna have to figure out what y'all want to eat. What else? So I gotta go over here. And every time I eat every time I eat cereal, my blood sugar go up. So I don't know if that's a thing that I need to stay away from, but I think that's what I'm gonna have to stay away from. We need milk too, so I'm just gonna get another gallon of milk. Well, this is a half gallon. This is a half gallon of milk. So I'm gonna get that, because we already got milk at home. So, what else? I gotta get yogurt. Move over. I have to get yogurt. I don't think they have vanilla. Regular vanilla yogurt. I'm still looking. So they got original. I don't know if they got vanilla in here. Move. Come this way. So they got, okay, this is banana. They got strawberry. And I can eat yogurt. I can eat the regular yogurt, y'all. So I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. These strawberry, cherry sounds really good. Strawberry. I think I'm gonna get here. You know what? Mommy, hold the camera towards me. This way. No, you're not even keeping your body. Thank you, mommy. All right. So I don't know if they have. I don't eat Greek yogurt. What's that? This all Greek yogurt, so no. They don't have like vanilla for some reason. We have butter. We need hot dogs. Now you already like hot dogs. I don't eat them. Come on, RJ, you in the way. I'm sorry. So we need chicken. We need chicken. I told you Nutella is not on the list this week. So we're getting chicken, and we're gonna get some drumsticks. I already got oranges in the car. And then that's it for that. And then ground beef. I'm gonna get this pack of ground beef is big, but I don't think we need $15 worth of ground beef. It won't. So I don't know, y'all. I might see if I know. $9. Okay. And then maybe I'll get some pork chop. What should I get, y'all? Some pork chop. If we can't find the neck bones, we can get the pork chops. Now we have to get water. So we'll put y'all right here so we can get the water.
That is sounds.
Watch out. So I got 3 waters. RJ, put that tape down. He's over there just doing the most, y'all. Gotta get some cheese. So I'm gonna get 2 bags of cheese. Cheese. And then we have to get lunch meat and regular shredded cheese. I get these. And I'm gonna get I don't know. Just regular ham, I guess. Smoked ham. Okay, the honey ham. And then 1 more pack. I think we got some meat at home, but I want to get some salami. no buffalo chicken. They was talking about this, so I'm gonna get him that. And then I could just get this hoodie him instead. That's what I'm gonna do, because we don't really eat too much of the of much meat. But anyhow, I think I'm gonna get the Black Forest ham, so I'm gonna put this back. The Black Forest ham is good. All right, we got water. I have to get me some water. They have this water right here for $1.08. I was seeing them at the other store. I was seeing them at the other store for $1.20. So I'm gonna get a couple of these. No, these are for me. Which it looked like they came through it. I like coconut pineapple too.
Ew.
They look they came through and got
Messed up.
a whole bunch of the other ones.
Ew,
What it look like.
I like
Fruit
cherry
punch.
instead of peach.
This is tender peach. I like the peach ones too.
The peach ones are, I believe.
Okay, so we got a couple of those. What is it? Peach tangerine?
Nectarine.
Nectarine. Okay. I like peach.
I like the peaches.
If y'all not drinking my stuff, y'all got water. Okay. So what else I got? Okay, what else I need? Oh, it's seasoning. So let's get the seasoning. We need seasoning. So I got 3 things of water that should last for us for 3 days, hopefully. So we need some paprika. Onion powder. What is that, RJ? Onion powder.
Onion.
Not the garlic salt. You don't see the
It's
garlic
this.
powder? Oh, that's minced onion. Minced onion.
I guess a powder.
What's on my
I get some chill powder. Want some chill powder go there.
I love this. I don't see no garlic powder.
Garlic powder should be right here. And it's chili. No, I don't think there is any.
I don't see none.
Just onion powder.
I already got it.
That's spicy.
I don't see none. Hey, Ma. You got stuff? Oh, you didn't get it? Okay. All right, so.
They ain't had no shoes.
Oh,
That cold.
they do got shoes up there.
They don't.
It's all gone?
They never have none. I talked
Yeah,
to
no,
them.
they do. They got shoes up there. They got a good sale going on up there. But anywho,
Easy.
so I got juice. Let me look on my list to see what else I forgot, y'all.
I like some marshmallows.
Is she scared, Susan?
Nah, she just wanna be by herself.
Mama, when are we never gonna
And
get
she's tired.
I'm never gonna get marshmallows.
We not.
I said never. I'm never gonna get marshmallows.
Didn't I just have my list?
So you're never getting marshmallows.
Okay, here it is. I gotta go get the cat some food. They didn't eat old food. I mean, this food's
For
not.
the cat?
We gotta get water, fruit. I got ground beef. I got chicken.
Stop it.
I got cereal, and then I got yogurt. I got lunch meat. I got cheese. I got water. I got fruit. Steak and salad. So I'm gonna have to go back over there and see if I can get a salad. get salad ingredients for us
What is this?
for a pie. Let me see if they got steak in here. I usually don't get their steak up there because you can get it cheaper somewhere else. But they just cook it. We can get cube steaks and make mashed potatoes. I'm sorry, mashed potatoes.
No, let's eat nothing. That's perfect. And I already know what I'm going to be eating. This. Hot dog and oranges all day. I'm the only person that eat hot dogs and oranges.
No,
Yeah.
now you're eating hot dogs.
But now with oranges.
But anywho, let's get some salad. I don't know, should we get, I think I'm just going to get the regular, just a regular salad. And then, you would like that. Let me get the cat some food. Cause they're gonna have to get used to that food. The cats hate this food, but at this point, I'm in the store, they're gonna get this food. They'll be alright for a little bit. So, is this dog food right here or cat food? Is this dog or cat food? Oh, for cats, okay. So, what is it? I don't even know what it says. Oh, it's $5 too. Yeah, so I get them. I don't know if cats like sweet potato, but I'm gonna get them this so they can have that. We don't need no cleaning supplies. I don't believe. No, we don't.
Mommy, let's just get my way. I just walked here.
You've been standing right there.
I'm standing right here.
Watch out.
Just
Move it.
standing right there. Right there. I was just walking through them. They
Just shh. This is why I don't bring kids to the store, okay, y'all? They do a lot. No, that's whatever. It doesn't matter. Oh, I need to get pull-ups for Nayori because he didn't have none, which he don't need no pull-ups. Watch out. It's the green one I got for him, the 5 T's. Before the 5 T's. He runs out of, okay, and then I believe that's it because the rest of my list, I gotta go get some more stuff from a different store, but that won't be till tomorrow morning, and the blizzard is supposed to be coming. Oh, Thursday night. Yeah. It's fun for Christmas. Yeah, we can do 6 to 10 plus inches all a night. Yeah, I know, right?
Ow, 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 ow. I don't like this chocolate.
Salad.
It's hard.
So we're gonna get some salad, y'all.
This chocolate's straight hard.
Put the chocolate, we're not getting no chocolate.
No, it's chocolate. That chocolate is
Alright, so we're gonna get some salad for bag, and plus I want some carrots. They crave the carrots. I guess I can eat carrots all day. So I'm going to get some carrots. I'm happy about that little thing. So I'm gonna get some carrots. Watch out, mommy. No, you're fine. So we got So I got apples at the other store. Let me show y'all. Let me move y'all. So we got apples at the other store. So I'm gonna get, whoops, I'm all in the way. I'm gonna get some carrots. RJ, I don't know what you're talking about.
Why is that a thing? This donut.
We're not getting donuts.
I know. I said, why is it?
And then, ooh, y'all, if you ever had those little oranges, let me see. Ooh, shit. I'm sorry, I'll be cussing y'all, but these oranges with this, it's so good. So, with apples, I'm gonna get like a basic, regular salad. Okay, here it is. Now I'm making a mess. Caesar salad kit. This is a Caesar salad kit.
I'm only doing at the
Okay, a regular garden salad we're gonna get. We're just gonna get one bag and work on for that. And I think that's it, y'all. I think I'm done, y'all. So, let's see if we need any more fruit. They got white strawberries. I ain't never seen nothing like that. I don't know if that's even normal. And they $5. It's not worth it. Is these even right? Is this in a season, y'all?
Yeah.
Because my kids go through these like they candy.
I like them. Gimme.
We gotta look for the good kind, not the bad.
Come on.
This look pretty good.
Get some more.
Here, put this in the bag. Don't throw. Set it in the basket. I have to look at it, y'all. See, that's why I said it
slipped. My hand just slipped free today.
Put it in the cart.
I'm gonna hold this one so it doesn't break open.
Click it back together. That's what you
At
do.
least a few open.
Uh-huh.
A few dropped.
I still feel like we didn't spend over 150.
I feel like we did.
We got apples. We got pears, right? And these cuties are real small this year, and I don't like this. I don't like it. I got a pineapple at home, y'all. I'm so ready to eat it. So we got pears at home. How many pears we got at home? Enough?
Enough.
So we got enough pears at home, so I'm not gonna get no pears. So yeah, I'm ready to go.
I have a baby watermelon.
Oh, and so tomorrow, I don't like the rice in here, so tomorrow I'm gonna go get rice and Pink Diamond. Rice and mac and cheese. So I might get some light syrup instead of regular syrup because of my diabetes. So get that. Okay, come on, let's go. We're done. So that's it. What?
Did you know that's 10?
Hey everybody. So I'm back at home after shopping. I don't know if I'm gonna include that or it's gonna be a separate video. But I just got off the phone with one of my friends, and she went through the same stuff that I'm going through as far as the diabetes and everything. So yeah, y'all. So I think I'm doing pretty good. I'm almost, I think I'm almost halfway done with my mini braids. But yeah, y'all, I don't know. I got an appointment with, actually they actually put my diabetes class early. Hey, Nayori, babe. They put my diabetes class up early. So I have it tomorrow at 11. You on my control. Look what you doing.
Oh, boy.
So, yeah, so I have an appointment tomorrow. So I get to see like where is my number that I'm too high for sugar and where is my number I'm too low.
Hello.
Anywho. So yeah, I gotta so yeah, we'll see what she say. It's been in the hundreds. It never went up to 200. I think my highest was like 157. So we'll see. She was telling me too that when you're pregnant and you have that, you only can take so much carbs. So I'll be talking to her about that too and get that shit over with. I got hair to do tomorrow. And then I have hair to do tomorrow. Let me think. I have hair to do tomorrow. I gotta take my brother to his appointment, and I have my appointment tomorrow. So I got stuff to do. I don't just sit around in the house. I just be tired. I just be having a lot of stuff to do. Okay? And what else? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. We have a snowstorm coming this Friday. So I tried to get most of the stuff, but I have to go get something else. The meat for the greens and stuff like that. So yeah, I got a little stuff that I have to do tomorrow. But yeah, y'all. It's just that. It's just that. Nothing more, nothing less. It's just that. So yeah, we so used to getting snow. I mean, this is a lot of snow. We haven't got this much snow in years. But we gonna get it together. So I will see y'all in a little bit. Deuces.